As an estate and elder law attorney, one of the questions I get all the time is, will I lose everything if my spouse has to go to a nursing home? That's certainly a legitimate concern. If your spouse is going to a nursing home, you're probably wondering, how am I going to pay the bills? Is Medicaid going to, the nursing home going to take my home? Are they going to take our savings account and everything we've worked for? My name is Bill Miller, and I'm an estate and elder law attorney in Alabama, and I have offices in Anniston and Birmingham, and we work with families who are dealing with these situations on a daily basis. The answer to the question is that you won't lose everything, but you could lose most everything that you have worked for. So the reason I say that is, unless you have long-term care insurance, you're either going to have to qualify for Medicaid to pay your bill, the nursing home bill, or you're going to have to pay out of pocket until you do qualify for Medicaid. But Medicaid is a means-tested program, meaning you can't just go qualify for Medicaid. You have to be under a certain amount of assets. And if you're married, then you can only keep 1/2 of you and your spouse's total assets up to a maximum of $130,000. So if you've got $400,000 in assets, unless you do some planning quickly, you're going to have to spend down $270,000 of those assets on care before Medicaid's going to start paying the bill. The other problem is that if your spouse goes to the nursing home, all of his income goes to pay the nursing home, and you're able to keep your income. So a lot of times the spouse going to the nursing home is the husband, and the wife's income is much less than the husband's income, and it's difficult for the wife to live on that small amount. So one of the things we try to do in what we call Medicaid crisis planning is to maximize the income of the spouse, so that they are not destitute and they're able to at least have a certain amount of income to live on if their spouse goes to the nursing home. So again, you won't lose everything, but you are going to have to spend down to at least $130,000. But I will tell you that we work with families every day, and there are ways to maximize the amount of assets that you keep, sometimes in excess of that $130,000, and also increase your income, or at least make sure that you have a minimal amount so that you can live. So if you have a spouse going to a nursing home, or if one of your parents is going, I would urge you to give us a call immediately. In a 15-minute phone call, I can tell you, number one, whether we can help you at all, and then number two, I can tell you how much we can protect if your spouse is going to a nursing home. Call my office at 472-2172, or visit my website at www.millerestateandelderlaw.com, and you can make contact us on there, and we'll get in touch with you. Either way, I look forward to helping you and your family.